The convenience of using MagSafe on the iPhone has literally changed and improved the way we interact with our devices. Especially if it's paired with MagSafe compatible accessories, whether it be for wireless charging, a portable kickstand, or with any nifty peripherals that supports a full usability of the feature. In this video, we'll go over with some of my best MagSafe accessories that you can get right now for the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 13 lineups. Let's find out. One awesome way to maximize the MagSafe is with the reliable phone grip, which is the STM Mag Loop. It's a 3-in-1 MagSafe phone grip that offers a multiple functionality for your iPhone. This Mag Loop accessory is made with a durable silicone and a metal material with a built-in strong magnets. Once the accessory is attached on the back of your device, you can then just simply prop out the outer ring and use it as a portable kickstand for landscape viewing. Just a simple and quick solution to conveniently watch on your device while you're out and about. Now the inner ring works as a finger loop or a phone grip that allows you to actually hold onto your device with ease that gives an extra security, especially when you're handling your device with one hand. Another cool feature of this accessory is the integrated bottle cap opener, just a simple yet effective tool to have, so you're always ready whenever you need to pop out that ice cold drink whenever you need to. And since we're talking about phone grips, this Pop Grip for MagSafe by Popsocket is quite an amazing phone grip accessory for the iPhone as well. Although it may not be as good as the Mag Loop phone grip in terms of its added features, but it's one of the minimalist yet very effective way to hold your device, as it has a very strong magnet that literally stays on the back of your device securely in place. This Pop Grip for MagSafe is made with a polycarbonate hard plastic material that has a collapsible pop grip which is removable just in case you would want to customize it with a different pop grip. And what I love about this accessory is it has a soft rubbery surface underneath that holds the magnet securely onto your device, while leaving your device untouched without damaging or scratching the back portion of your iPhone. And what's good about this accessory is that it works as a portable kickstand for landscape viewing. And when you're ready to charge your device, just simply slide the pop grip off of your device and you're good to go. And speaking of MagSafe chargers, this MagSafe mount stand by Nomad is definitely one of our top pick stand accessory for the iPhone. It is a one-piece solid zinc alloy metal that is fairly heavy and sturdy as it achieves that perfectly weighted charging base, which is ideal for your desk setup. Underneath the charging base is this built-in rubber pad that secures the stand in place when sitting on your desk. And it also has this micro suction material around the groove where you put the MagSafe charger on, so it can adhere firmly in place. Then pass the cable through the back side of the stand and on the power source, and you'll now have a minimalist design charging base that you can conveniently charge your iPhone whether in portrait or landscape viewing angle. Another cool way to charge your device with your MagSafe charger is with this SPAC Presidio Pro Folio for MagSafe. This portable stand is made with a polycarbonate hard plastic covered with a rubber material on the exterior that prevents it from sliding off on any flat surface. Now to use the MagSafe Folio, simply unfold the folio exposing the spot where you put in the Apple MagSafe charger in. Then wrap the cable around the grooves on the sides of the folio. Plug the cable in and you now have the portable charger and stand that works in different angles as well. And if you wouldn't want to use it to charge your device,